Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I got a gift package from 357 Magdad this week, and in it was a bunch of tools that he said, have at it. See, do your best. And so I'm really excited because there are several things in there that are very interesting. This one is what I want to work on today. It's a Phillips screwdriver, a little palm-held Phillips screwdriver. You just hold it like that. And the head of it is all messed up. And that looks challenging, but perhaps fun. So let's see if I can fix it. Well, it looks like the part that I thought was going to be hard, which was this part, was not, but the painting was. So I got this fixed and it looks great and it works great, but I got super glue all over this handle, and I think the tube broke or something, and plus this little metal thingy needs to get put on there better. So I am going to take this back apart, strip this paint off, and do it again. So let's go. Well, I am pleased to say that I'm done. I cannot believe that I spent this much time on a screwdriver, but you know, I really like the screwdriver. It feels good in your hand. It's kind of a cool screwdriver. I've seen a lot of little, pardon me, I have a lot of little nubby short flathead screwdrivers, but I don't have a Phillips, so I will likely use this all the time. And I really wanted to do the red with the black dip, kind of like the screwdriver that I did previously. But as you have seen, I just ran into all kinds of problems. You know, I learned a lot on this project. I learned that I need to be patient. You know, I got ahead of myself on the paint. I was like, oh, yeah, just, you know, now I'll spray this. Man, you got to let this paint dry. And you know, forgetting primer. I didn't realize really how important primer is. You know, when I painted that handle primer free, the exact same paint just like absorbed into the wood, and it was awful. So well, you saw it. So you know, there was a lot of learning that went on with this process, but I am glad that I'm done. And I like the yellow. You know, the yellow's cool. I do wish that I could dip it better. I think that down the road, I want to figure out a way, maybe using the drill press, where I can dip tools and get a nice even line, because it's real easy to go hey wonky, you know. But in any case, it is done, and I think if you've made it to the end, I thank you for watching this super long video, and we'll see you next time.